This is a cryptocurrency app that I made in just 2 hours using Kotlin, Jetpack Compose, and CoinGecko's API for free. You want to know how I made it? Watch till the end of the video to find out and make one for yourself. So first of all, we can see what the app contains. The app contains a beautiful screen where you can slide through different crypto coins and view more about it, just like this beautiful crypto coin called Pepe. And not only that, you can also click on them and view more details about them, what is their symbol, what is their rank, and stuff like that. You can add your own customizations on this. I have just added these because I liked and I wanted to just make a prototype of how to implement it in the first place. So let's move on to figuring out how to make this app by coding. So to make an app like this, you have to perfect 4 areas of this infrastructure. The first one being the UI, which takes care of how the app looks to the user, or basically the front end of the app. For that, we have the landing page and the coin detail, which takes care of how the app looks when you open it and how the app looks when you click on a coin. The second one, we have a view model. The view model takes care of the basically all the functions that happen in the background and calling of the functions and assigning the data and all. And this is very crucial for any app to have. I have implemented MVVM architecture, and that's why it looks like this. My view model name is coin view model. Up next, for networking, we have the coin data class. The coin data class contains these much of values and variables that I can use in order to display the information or data in the app. And I get this information by looking at the documentation provided by the CoinGecko API. You can have a look at it, and it's absolutely free to use this feature of the API. Up next, we have the coin repository. It does the work of the all networking stuff. And actually, I made this network call and wrote this code using Gemini, which is a great feature that you should use in order to enhance our power lift, I would say, your coding abilities or development abilities in Android Studio. Up next, we have the part of navigation. For navigation, we simply have a screen. It is a class which contains an objects of different screens that we can navigate to. And then we have the nav coin, which is the starting function that is executed, which uses the nav graph in order to start from one function and like start from one screen and go to the other screen. And this is very useful in order to navigate and make multi-page apps in Jetpack Compose. So this is all about the app. Basically, if you have any doubts or if you want to make an work on it, I will leave a small tip that whenever you are doing this, you would require 2 or 3 times to do it on your own. So don't get disheartened when you can't seem to figure out anything at once. It takes a lot of time to learn it and have patience. At last, it is a marathon and not a sprint, so have patience and you will succeed. At last, I want to say that if you like this video, please remember to leave a like or comment on what you liked and what could be better. I'm also learning, so it would be a great opportunity for me to take a suggestion from a viewer. And also, if you like to contribute to this or if you like to make your own version of it, you would like to know how this is made. I have extensively documented each and every process that I used while making it in this GitHub repo called CoinCraft, which I'll be leaving a link in the description. So if you like this video, please go ahead and let me know. And